Hi everyone, this is your host Amanda Wilcox, and on this episode of Simply Sterile, we are going to be talking about robotic instrument protectors and robotic peel pack holders. So the robotic instrument protectors will fit the robotic instrument arms, and these are already creased. So all you have to do is put them in their little holes so that the instrument stays protected, especially with the tips. It'll save us from having to put the tip protectors on the instrument. So once you do these two, this will stay lifted. You'll put the instrument in this hole, put your tip in the holder, and then we are ready to create the end piece. So it's super simple. All we're going to do is take this and put it like this, so that this piece right here is holding the arm of the instrument steady. You can still see what it is, what millimeter it is. And then you have your peel pack, which you are then going to place your instrument in. There is a holder for your chemical indicator, which is nice so you're not just popping an indicator in there and hoping someone can see it. So you're putting it into the pack. Based on aseptic practice, you are going to want to put the box name end on the sealed side so that when they open it up, they're going to pull this round tab so they can pull the instrument out and use it. These are 100 GSM, which is a sturdier peel pack than the normal ones we're used to. But we do have two different sizes. So there's this one, and then there's a little bit bigger one. So should you want a double peel pack, you're more than welcome to. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Simply Sterile.